Imagine you waking up in the morning and knowing your money has been working for you while you slept. No boss breathing down your neck, no 9-to-5 grind, just true financial freedom, where your income doesn't depend on the hours you work. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners, real proven ways you can start earning money even when you're not actively working. Stick around till the end, because the 5th idea could change your life completely. And after this video, I'll guide you on how to build unstoppable self-confidence in my next episode. Before we dive into the strategies, let's clarify. What exactly is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal effort after the initial work is done. It's not get rich quick, it's get rich smart. You invest time, money, or skills up front, and the rewards continue to flow long after. But here's the catch. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require more effort than others. Let's break down the top 5 you can start even if you're a complete beginner. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits. How it works. You buy shares of a company, the company pays you dividends regularly, like monthly or quarterly. Why it works. Passive once you've invested. Potential for growth and compounding. Pro tip, start with ETFs, exchange-traded funds, like the S&P 500 for diversified, lower-risk investing. Imagine getting paid just for owning a piece of a company. Pretty cool, right? 2. Create and sell digital products. Have a skill or knowledge to share? Why not turn it into a digital product? Ideas, ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos or templates. Why it works. Create once, sell forever. Zero inventory and minimal maintenance. Pro tip, platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to sell your digital products with minimal setup. But what if you could make money just by sharing your thoughts? Let's talk about that next. 3. Blogging affiliate marketing. Ever read a blog and noticed product recommendations? That's affiliate marketing in action. How it works. You start a blog, write valuable content around a niche, recommend products with affiliate links, earn commissions when people buy through your link. Why it works. Low startup cost. Passive once your content ranks on Google. Pro tip. Focus on evergreen topics like personal finance, fitness, or tech reviews. These niches have long-term earning potential. Just think, one blog post could pay you for years. How powerful is that? 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Think you need millions to invest in real estate? Not anymore. How it works. You invest in a real estate crowdfunding platform. The platform uses your money to fund properties. You earn rental income or profits from property appreciation. Why it works. No need to buy or manage property yourself. Completely hands-off income. Pro tip. Check platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. They specialize in beginner-friendly real estate investing. 5. YouTube automation channels, the game changer. Yes, you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face. How it works. Create a YouTube channel based on a niche. Outsource content creation. Scripts, voiceovers, editing. Monetize through ads and sponsorships. Why it works. Unlimited earning potential. Income grows as your channel grows. Pro tip. Niches like motivational content, tech reviews, and personal finance tend to perform well for automation channels. Now here's the thing. None of these ideas work without the right mindset, and that's exactly what we're covering next. Passive income isn't about luck, it's about strategy and discipline. Here's why most people fail. Lack of patience. Results take time. Chasing trends. Stick to proven methods, not reinvesting. Passive income grows with reinvestment. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to create freedom. And to achieve that, you need more than strategies. You need unshakable confidence in your abilities. Now that you know the top 5 passive income strategies, the next step is mastering the mindset for success. In my next video, The Science of Building Confidence, I'll break down how to build unstoppable self-belief so you can take action on what you've learned today. Click the video on your screen now, and let's take your personal growth to the next level.